As you can probably tell by the title of this video, today we are actually going to be making this car look more aggressive. So the only thing you're going to need for this is plastic dip, because what we're going to be doing is just painting the headlights. These headlights are so nice because you don't have to bake them. The way BMW designed them from factory, just it has like 6 clips that you pop open and the cover just comes off, and you could spray the inside and put it back on, clip it back up, and it won't condensate or anything. So it's that easy, and it's probably going to be the shortest video I ever make, but I'm going to show you how to make your basically stock looking headlights look more mean, make the car more aggressive, make your just overall appearance look sinister. Now once you have everything off, the little eyebrow piece underneath and the corner light, you're basically just going to pop off these clips right here, 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 right here on the bottom. Once you do that, this cover should just come right off. So the first coat is on. So what I did is I basically just taped off the bulb. I didn't tape anything off, none of this stuff, because that cover actually covers everything, so I didn't even bother doing any of that. Plus I'll probably try to do such heavy coats that I could actually just peel it off later, but this is one side and this is the other. Now doing this basically means that you will not have high beams, but you will still have your regular, like you will still have your regular lights. So at night when you're driving and you have lights on, you're still going to be able to see, but no more high beams. So there it is, the final coat. I did about 3 heavy coats and it's done. Just waiting for it to dry. Once it dries, I'm going to start peeling everything. And there you have it. The car looks so much meaner now. The halo rings aren't even on, and it looks like they're already on. Everything's just blacked out. As you can see, I can still use my daytime running lights. It just looks so mean now. It looks super good. I'm really happy with how it came out. Although when I was taking off this cover, this one was a little bit stuck in there. I don't know if you could kind of tell by the gap. Actually broke a clip, so I'll be ordering a new one. It's like, I think like $8. Sucks. Oh, I got plastic dip on this, but I can take it off. But yeah, it sucks. I broke one clip, so the other side's fine. So it's supposed to be like this, basically no gap. And then if you look at this one, a little bit of a gap. Not that noticeable, but I'm definitely going to be fixing that because I know it's there, so it's going to be bugging the hell out of me. But overall, this thing almost looks complete in the front now. It looks so mean, I love it. Damn, it looks so good. Now this is going to be with every light on. So as you can see, the high beams are pretty much useless now. They're still going to shine and everything, but they're just not bright at all. There you guys have it. How to make your E46 super aggressive. It's so easy. It's like, what, I spent like $8 on it, on the can of plastic dip, and it looks so good. And later on I can always take it off. So that's what's good about plastic dip, you can always remove it. I was gonna paint it like glossy, but I thought about it. It's like these were pretty expensive. They were like 300 bucks for these headlights. I kind of didn't want to ruin them. So the best thing to do was just to plaster dip them, because later on I can always revert back. But I love the blacked out look. I can't wait for the car to be painted. This thing's gonna look so damn mean in the front. I also got to start working on the splitter, as well as buying some mesh from Home Depot and making just some mesh for that and putting in my fog lights. So it's a whole day later now. It was raining actually, and no condensation. That's what I love about these headlights. You can open them up, close them back up, and they won't condensate. And as you can see on video, these look so much better now blacked out. Makes the car look just super mean. I'm super happy with how it looks. Just can't wait for the paint. Once it's painted and tinted, this thing's going to be complete. I actually got brand new emblems. They're red and black, like carbon fiber look. Not sure if I'm going to run them. I'm just probably going to be using the white and dark gray carbon fiber, because they're going to match my center caps. But I also got the red and black center caps, so we'll see about that. But yeah, this is basically it. How to make your E46 or pretty much almost any BMW, if the headlights come off, that easy. How to make it aggressive. It was very affordable. I think I spent about $8. And yeah, I just went to town. And if you don't like how it looks, you can always peel it off. But I love how it looks. It just makes the car look so sinister. Looks super good. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.